Good afternoon to everybody. We speak about week 6, partial 4 for 7. Buenas tardes, niños, niñas. Vamos a hablar acerca de la semana número 6, parcial 4. Recuerde que usted ya está registrado en la plataforma y debe trabajar aquí. Si usted no lo está, tiene que registrarse o si no, realizar todas las tareas a mano y enviar al WhatsApp. Vamos a entrar. Ya está cargada la tarea número 10. Y en esta semana tenemos la siguiente tarea, la tarea número 9. ¿Ya? Classwork number 6. Planning a trip. Match the picture with the coordinate. Use the word bank. You have village, mountain, a big city, the beach, and resort. Vamos a unir. This is a big city. This is a village. This is a mountain. This is beach. And this is resort. ¿Ya? Vamos acá. Vamos, chicos, a leer. De Galápagos. Most people who come to Ecuador to scuba dive or snorkel to the Galapagos. Galapagos are famous for their rich marine environment and colorful animals. Most boats have snorkeling gears, but it's better to bring your own max. Make sure that is your size. De Compañía. The Compañía Church is the one most important World Heritage Science monument. This church shows the extraordinary artistic ability of Ecuadorian artisans. The altars are covered with gold leaf. The Compañía is the one of the richest temples in South America. Green Travel Ecuadorians, or Green Travel, takes the care of the natural areas. This is the idea to leave a little impact to the place to visit, protecting the environment in your hometown and when you travel to the other place. Culinary tourists. The culinary tourists create the experience that connect the tourists not only with the food, but also the history, tradition, and culture of the country. Vamos a unir this picture with the name. This is Galapagos. This is the Compañía. This is Green Travel. And this is the culinary tourists. Okay? Homework number 6. Vamos a hablar acerca de los medios de transporte. Okay? Pay attention, please. Plane. This is the best way to travel a long distance. You don't get so tired. Train. Trains are modern, fast, and comfortable. When you want to go by train, you need to go to another train station. Find the right platform and then get to the train. Bus. The bus is a good way to explore the country. The bus is less popular than the plane, and the train travels to the long distance. Rent a car. There are companies to rent cars for short periods of time. You get a car in one place and you return in another. It's a way to travel that gives you freedom and independence. Motorhome. A motorhome is a van that has a lot of space to live in. It has what you need to live comfortable: kitchen, beds, and bathrooms. In a motorhome, you can move around the from city to city. It also gives you a place to stay, and you don't need a hotel. Hitchhiking. When you hitchhike, you travel in a vehicle without paying. You ask strangers to travel in their cars. It's a cheap way to travel. It can also sociable, but it's dangerous because you don't know the people who are in the vehicle. So before start, you need to take the full precaution. ¿Ya? Vamos nosotros aquí a poner las letras que corresponden. ¿Ok? This is letter B. With minúsculas, no se olvide. This is letter F. This is letter D. This is letter C. This is letter A. And this is letter E. ¿Ya? Write the cues below and fill the crossword. Vamos a leer It isn't a transport, it's smaller, only for 3 persons. One, this is helicopter. Complete please. Helicopter. This is helicopter. Next. It rail wings to put all but necessary. Number 4. Number 4 is here. Number 4 is train. Now, it is a land transport station. It has 2 wheels to move it in your feet. This is number 5. Number 5 is bicycle. 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 Next, 4 down. It is a lamp you can yellow for public service. 2 cab. 3. It is a line of transport used to chase or arrest the people. Police car. And the last, it's a sea transportation. It's small, used pilots to move. This is boat. Eso es todo, chicos. No se olvide de poner terminado al finalizar y nos vemos la próxima semana. Goodbye. ¿Qué pasó? Se quedó así, mira, mira.